Hey everybody, welcome to the heart of Frisco, and we are so excited to show you our latest listing. And of course, when you hear Frisco, several things come to mind. Top-rated school districts, restaurants, entertaining, dining, and of course, lots of sports going on in the Frisco area. The Dallas Cowboys, we have the Texas, the Rough Riders, the Dallas Stars, and of course you have the Omni PGA headquarters, and coming soon, the Universal Studio Kids Resort. But first things first, this beautiful home behind me here is available for your next purchase. We're going to take you inside here in a few minutes and show you around. But again, we are in the heart of Frisco. So if you're looking around the Frisco area for a brand new home, this is probably going to be it. So stick around. We're going to take you in there in a few minutes.
Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing. As Mike said, we are here in the heart of Frisco, and this is an absolutely stunning home, as you're going to see from the videos. If you are a growing family, if you are a multi-generational family, this home is going to fit your needs. I'm going to give you a few facts before we take a tour around the home. This home was built in 2006. It's 4,245 square feet, so it's a massive home. Of course, it's 2 stories. You've got 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and you also have a 6th bedroom that right now is working as a private dedicated office. You have 2 living areas, you have 2 eating areas. Upstairs, you have this beautiful wrought iron winding staircase you saw me coming down. It's got an amazing catwalk that you'll see. There's a flex space up here that can serve as a game room. And then you also have a dedicated media room. So this house offers everything for a growing family, again, for a multi-generational family. And then the backyard is your little entertaining oasis. So I can't wait to show you this home. And if you have any questions and you want a private tour, our number is down below. Let us know and we'll schedule that for you.